Imagine hitting the open highway with the power of cutting-edge hybrid technology, futuristic design, and the comfort of a luxury apartment on wheels. This is not just a dream. It's the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome, a bold innovation that's redefining the American road trip. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a full-time traveler, or a family looking to experience the great outdoors in comfort, Mitsubishi's new hybrid RV is designed to transform the way we journey across the United States. Mitsubishi has always been known for efficiency, engineering, and reliability. But in 2026, the brand is stepping into the motorhome market with a hybrid RV that blends Japanese precision with American adventure culture. This isn't just another RV. It's a futuristic living space that brings together eco-friendly power, smart technology, and modern luxury. At first glance, the Mitsubishi Motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek aerodynamic lines, bold LED lighting signatures, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a spaceship-like driving experience. The design is not just about looks. Its aerodynamics improve fuel efficiency, reduce drag, and make long drives smoother. Number 2, the hybrid powertrain. Now let's talk about what makes this motorhome so revolutionary. Its hybrid powertrain. Traditional RVs are known for guzzling fuel, but Mitsubishi is changing the game. The 2026 motorhome combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with a high-capacity battery system, offering both efficiency and performance. On shorter trips, you can run primarily on electric power, quiet, clean, and perfect for campgrounds or national parks. On longer cross-country routes, the hybrid system kicks in, giving you extended range and the reassurance of gasoline power when you need it. Even better, the motorhome comes equipped with solar panels on the roof, allowing you to recharge batteries while you're parked in the sun. For eco-conscious travelers, this means less reliance on fuel, lower emissions, and the freedom to camp off-grid for days. Number 3, interior luxury. Step inside, and the Mitsubishi Motorhome feels less like an RV and more like a futuristic studio apartment on wheels. The interior is crafted with a mix of Japanese minimalism and American spaciousness. A modular living room that converts into a dining area or an entertainment lounge with a large smart TV and surround sound. A high-tech kitchen with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and voice-activated controls. A spa-inspired bathroom with eco-friendly water recycling technology, giving you a hot shower without worrying about water waste. And of course, a luxury bedroom with a queen-size bed, ambient lighting, and smart climate control. Everything is controlled through Mitsubishi's AI-powered system, which learns your preferences over time, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even suggesting the best travel routes. Number 4, smart technology. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling smart home. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome integrates seamlessly with your smartphone and smart devices. From the driver's seat, you get a futuristic digital cockpit with augmented reality navigation. On the road, it can scan for nearby charging stations, campgrounds, or scenic viewpoints. Safety is also a priority. The RV includes autonomous driving assist, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping systems, and even a rest mode where the vehicle can park itself at a campsite. Number 5, the American Dream, Redefined. So what does this mean for the future of American road trips? Traditionally, RVs have been about freedom and exploration, but they also came with compromises: high fuel costs, environmental impact, and outdated interiors. Mitsubishi's hybrid motorhome solves all of that. Imagine driving down Route 66, exploring Yellowstone National Park, or camping along the California coastline, all while knowing your RV is eco-friendly, tech-driven, and luxurious. This isn't just travel. It's a lifestyle upgrade. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a vision of the future. A future where technology, sustainability, and comfort come together to redefine what it means to take a road trip across America. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring hidden trails, or just looking for a smarter way to experience the great outdoors, Mitsubishi's futuristic hybrid RV promises to make the journey as exciting as the destination. So, would you take your next American road trip in this futuristic motorhome? Let us know in the comments below.